Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Codemaster app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Codemaster is a mobile IDE app designed to help developers write, run, and test code on the go. It supports multiple programming languages like Python, Java, C++, HTML, and JavaScript. The app features a built-in code editor, syntax highlighting, file manager, and a simple terminal interface. It's aimed at students, coding enthusiasts, and even professionals looking to do quick edits or practice while away from their computers. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users find the interface clean and beginner-friendly, with good autocomplete support and an overall smooth experience. The multi-language support and in-app compiler make it great for quick testing and revision. Codemaster is especially appreciated by learners preparing for coding interviews or practicing on the move. However, it's not without limitations. Some users report lag during execution of larger code files, and advanced debugging tools are either missing or very limited. Offline functionality is also basic, and complex project management isn't very feasible on the mobile interface. Occasional bugs with file saving and language switching are also noted. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Codemaster is a useful tool if you want a simple, flexible coding environment on your phone. It's best for learning, testing snippets, or reviewing code quickly, but may not fully replace a desktop IDE for advanced tasks. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.